5 more Jamaica Urban Transit Company drivers have been arrested and charged for allegedly pocketing bus fares collected from passengers. The men were apprehended by detectives assigned to the National Strategic Anti-Gang Division, which operates under the Specialized Investigation Branch. 59-year-old Paul Hall of Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine, 58-year-old Andrew Bird of Kingston, 2, 43-year-old Jason Blackwood of Portmore, St. Catherine, 62-year-old Elvis Sims of Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine, and 52-year-old Marlon Barnett of Albion Heights, St. Thomas, have been charged with embezzlement and failing to issue tickets. Now, according to the police, between February 11 and March 17, 2026, the accused men collected fares on behalf of the company but failed to issue electronic receipts to account for the transactions. Further investigations revealed that at the end of their shifts, the drivers allegedly did not hand over the collected funds to the JUTC. The report was made to the police, prompting an investigation that led to them being arrested and charged.